Back with Babylon out of black man land. Ah, this a black Ali Babylon.
Tek off the chain, make Cuba breathe again. Yeah, no more black up the food and the medicine. Yeah, the people them free, them sovereign, them strong. Yeah, from Kingston town we a chant this song. Yeah, Caribbean rise, Latino stand firm, end the blockade now, make justice return. Oh yeah, yeah. Long time them try to hold down the aisle, pressure and sanction fi mash up the soil, but the spirit can't break. It's solid like stone. Cuban people stand tall on them own. Them build them school, them heal them sick, share what them have even when time rough and thick. No foreign chain can rule them fate. Self-determination can negotiate. From Havana streets to Santiago side, freedom of flow like the Caribbean tide. No matter the storm, no matter the strain, the revolution not still beating at them vein. Take off the chain, yeah, make Cuba breathe again. Yeah, no more black up the food and the medicine. Yeah, the people them free, them sovereign, them strong. Yeah, from Kingston town we a chant this song. Yeah, Caribbean rise, Latino stand firm, and the blockade now, make justice return. Oh yeah, Jamaica Day and we not turn we back. Solidarity firm, unity intact, from Haiti straight down to Venezuela. One love.